Exercise 9.6. Question number 1. Multiply the following fractions. So previous we have done addition and subtraction of fractions. So in that we have taken LCM for making denominator same. So now we are going to do multiply of fraction. So in this we will directly multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So if any numbers in fractions, first we have to see if they are divisible, means they are coming in the same table. So we can first divide them, then we will multiply. So how we will divide? First we have to divide numerator and denominator. Okay. So in opposite also, if this numerator is there and here denominator, it's both are come in same table. So we can divide. We can't able divide numerator and numerator. Okay, same when denominator and denominator we can't able to divide. Only opposite numerator and denominator can be divided first, then only we have to multiply. So first number 5 upon 7 multiply by 2 upon 5. So see, first numerator is 5, denominator is 7. Here also numerator is 2 and denominator is 5. So this 5 and 5 is numerator and this 5 is denominator. So this both will come in same 5 table. Okay, so same is there. So what we will do? We will cut it. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. And this 2 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator. But they can't come in same table. Okay, they are both are a prime number. They will not come in any table. So we will directly multiply now. So other option is not there. So what we will do? We will multiply. So we will write. So whenever the number are cut, so what we will write in place? We will write 1. So 1 multiply by 2 upon 7 multiply by 1. So 1 2 is 2, then 7 1 is 7. So our answer is 2 upon 7. So this is our answer. Now number 2, 3 upon 13 multiply by 5 upon 12. So say first we have to see numerator and denominator. Here numerator is 3 and denominator is 13. So in 3 table 13 will not come. Okay, so in same way here see numerator is 5 and denominator is 12. Here also it divide not be possible. Okay, in 5 table 12 will not come. So now we will see the opposite, 3 and 12. So in 3 table 12 will come. Yes. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours are 12. And this opposite in 5 table 13 will not come. So now we will multiply. So we will write 1 multiply by 5 upon 13 multiply by 4. So 1 5 is 5. Then 13 4 is 52. So our answer is 5 upon 52. Now number 3. 3 upon 2 multiply by 5 upon 12. So see the first fraction, numerator is 3 and denominator is 2. So 3 and 2 both will not come in same table. So we can't able to divide. Same way in this 5 and 12. This also will not come in same table. So this also we can't able to divide. So now we have to see the opposite, 3 and 12. So in 3 table 12 will come. Yes. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. Now see 2 and 5. 2 and 5 also prime number. They will not come in any table. Okay, so now what we will do? We will now multiply. So 1 multiply by 5 upon 2 multiply by 4. So 1 5 is 5, 2 4 is 8. So our answer is 5 upon 8. Now next, 27 upon 2 multiply by 7 upon 8. So see here fractions 27 upon 2. So in 2 table 27 will come? No. So we can't able to divide. Same way 7 and 8. This also we can't able to divide. In opposite 27 and 8. So 8 is an even number and 27 is an odd number. This also in same table it will not come. Same way 2 and 7 also it will not come in any table. They are prime factors. Okay. So now what we will do? We will now multiply directly. So 27 multiply by 7 upon 2 multiply by 8. So 27 7s are 7 7s are 49. So 9 4 we will carry it over. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4 18. So 189 upon 2 8s are 16. So our answer is 189 upon 16. So this is our answer. Now next one is 9 upon 11 multiply by 5. Here denominator not given, so we will write here 1. So whenever denominator is not given, so we have to write 1. So see the fraction 9 upon 11. So both will not come in same table. Same way in this also 5 and 1. It is also not come in same table. In opposite also 9 and 1 is there, and 11 and 5 is there. So it will not be divided. So what we will do? We will now multiply. So 9 multiply 5 and 11 multiply 1. So 9 5s are 45 and 11 1s are 11. So our answer is 45 upon 11. Now question number 2, find the following. Number 1, 3 upon 4 of 100 rupees. Now we have to find the fraction 3 upon 4th of 100 rupees. So how much is in 100 rupees? 3 upon 4. So first we will write 3 upon 4 multiply by 100. Denominator not there, so we will write 1. So see 4 and 100. So both are even number, so they can be divisible. So we divide and see. In 4 table when 100 will come. So 4 2s are 8. So 10 minus 8 2, and this 0 we will carry down. So it will become 20. So 4 5s are 20. So 4 25s are 100. Okay. So now 3 and 1. So these are a prime number. They are not come in any table. So now we will multiply. So 3 multiplies 25 and 1 multiplies 1. So 3 25s how much? 25 3s so 25 3s 3 5s 15. 1 3 2s 6. 6 plus 1 7. So 75 upon 1. We will write answer 75. So whatever measure is given, that we have to write 75 rupees. Here rupees is written, so we have to write in answer 75 rupees. Now number 2, 1 upon 5 of 85. So 1 upon 5 multiply by 85. Denominator we will write here 1. So see, in 5 table 85 will come. Yes, it is divisible. No, in 1's place 5 or 0 is there, so that is divisible by 5. So we will divide and see. 5 1s are 5. So 8 minus 5 3, and this 5 we will carry down. So 5 7s are 35. So 5 17s are 85. So here all 1 is there. So we will cut. Same numerator and denominator is there, then we will cut. So what is our answer? 17. Now next number 3. 9 upon 200 of 1000. So 9 upon 200 multiply by 1000. So here we will write denominator 1. So here also see zeros we can cut. How many zeros there? 2. So 1 2. So it will become easy for you. So 0 0 2 zeros we can cut. When numerator and denominator we can cut. If numerator is there, so we can't able to cut. Okay. So if numerator and denominator we can able to cut the zeros. Now we can, in 10 is there 2. So in 2 table 10 will come. Yes, 2 5s are 10. So now we will multiply. 9 multiply by 5 upon, here 1 we will write 1 multiply by 1. So 9 5s are 45. So 1 1s are 1. So here our answer equal to 45. Now number 4, 5 upon 6 of 66 centimeter. So 5 upon 6 multiply by 66 upon 1. So see 6 table 66 will come. Yes, 6 11s are 66. So now we will multiply. 5 11s and 1 1s. So 5 11s 55. 1. So our answer is 55 centimeter. Now number 5, 7 upon 8 of a day. So 1 day equal to how many hours? 25 hours. So 7 upon 8 multiply by 24 upon 1. So see here 7, 24 and 8, 1. So numerator 7 and 8. This will not come in same table. Same in this fraction 24 and 1 is there. So 24 and 8. So numerator is 24 and denominator is 8. So in 8 table 24 will come. Yes, 8 3s are 24. So now we will multiply 7 3s are and 1 1s are. So 7 3s are 21 and 1 1s are 1. So our answer is 21 hours. Now next number 6, 5 upon 12 of an hour. So 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. So 5 upon 12 multiply by 60 upon 1. So in 12 table 60 will come. Yes, 12 5s are 60. So now we will multiply 5 multiply by 5 upon 1 multiply by 1. So 5 5s are 25. So 1 1s are 1. So our answer is 25 minutes. We converted hour into minutes. So we will write in answer also minutes. And in denominator if 1 is there, it is not having any value. So we can write only numerator 25 minutes. Okay. Now question number 3, find the reciprocal of the following fraction. So here we have to find the reciprocals. Reciprocals means we have to write opposite. Means 3 upon 7. Here numerator is 3 and denominator is 7. Now we have to make it opposite. We will write 7 as numerator and 3 as denominator. It means it is a reciprocal. So first reciprocal of 3 upon 7 equal to, first we will write numerator 7, then in denominator 3, 7 upon 3, and we want, when we will multiply we want 1. So 3 upon 7 multiply 7 upon 3. So what we will get? See, 3 numerator is 3 and denominator is 3. See, both will happen, and same way numerator is 7 and denominator is 7. So both will happen. So what we will write here? 1. So what we will get? Answer 1. Okay. Now number 2, 18. So reciprocal of 18. So in denominator not given, so we will keep 1. So what is the reciprocal of 18 upon 1? So we will write 1 upon 18. So 18 upon 1 multiply by 1 upon 18 equal to 1. Here also numerator and denominator cut same number there, then it will divide, it will happen. So we will get answer 1. Now number 3, 11 upon 13. So reciprocal of 11 upon 13 equal to 13 upon 11. So 11 upon 13 multiply by 13 upon 11, we will get 1. Now number 4, 23 upon 9. Reciprocal of 23 upon 9 equal to 9 upon 23. So 23 upon 9 multiply by 9 upon 23 equal to 1. Now number 5, 35 upon 9. So reciprocal of 35 upon 9 equal to 9 upon 35. Now we will multiply 35 upon 9 multiply by 9 upon 35 equal to 1. Now number 6, 25 upon 2. So reciprocal of 25 upon 2 equal to 2 upon 25. So now we will multiply 25 upon 2 multiply by 2 upon 25 equal to 1.